I just want to show you something on Azure platform. All right. So welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. If you are not new, please share this video with other IT gurus. All right. What I want to show you guys here is the most important thing in networking. All right. Some of you will create virtual machines in different subnets, and the virtual machine you will try to communicate and make sure you communicate using both of them in different subnet to communicate, but it won't communicate. If you try to ping, it won't ping because it's in different subnet. Maybe that is what you are thinking. No, today I'm going to show you how to sort out that issue. If you are having issue currently in your working place, if you are having issue maybe in your labs. So this is how you are going to fix it. So just pay attention. Now, in my platform here, I have two virtual machines. One is called Informer and the other one is called Lovett. All right. These are the two virtual machines I have in my Azure subscription. I have created them. And now both of them, if you check very well, if you go to my resource group, right? Name of my resource group, okay? And then when you check very well, you are going to see that each of them is assigned to different subnet, okay? So now, after this is a former, all right? So what we want to do here is that we will try to ping Lovett from Ifoma. All right, we're going to ping Lovett from Ifoma. You will see what is going to happen, whether the ICMP will go through or not, the ping will go through or not. Then after that, we will ping Ifoma from Lovett. Okay. So right now, this is a public IP address for this machine called Ifoma, and we are going to connect using a remote desktop. You can quickly click here, click here, and click here to download the ping. All right. For me, I've already downloaded it. You can see it here. You can download your RDP here. The same thing goes to Love It. You can as well open it up and then click on connect. All right. Select connect, and then you can as well download the RDP file from here. For me, I've already downloaded both of them into my desktop computer. So I have to go there. This is Informer. All right. We'll double click it and you can see the public IP address of Informer virtual machine. And then you click connect. All right. Then you put the password. All right. You put the password to it. All right. After you finish putting the password, click OK to connect it. All right. There you go. You say yes. All right. Do the same thing. Once this one is up, now it is up now. This is it. This is a former workstation. That is virtual machine. It is up now. Then let us as well connect Lovett. All right. We connect Lovett this way. Again, we supply the password to it. Okay. After supplying the password to it, then we will as well, seems like the password is wrong. So let us supply the correct one. Okay, to try again. Okay, that is correct. Okay, it's connecting. All right, this is Love It. All right, this is Love It 102.37.140.169 for Love It. And then the other one is Informer. The other one is Informer. Seems that we have two Love It here. All right, let us exit one. Okay, now we have sorry, this is still a former. The moment we exit Love It, the two of them exited. Okay, let us try to launch Love It again to see. Yeah, just launch. It's launching right now. Okay, voila. Okay, we are here. Love It, virtual machine, and Ifoma virtual machine. Now, um, let us for you to ping this, to ping Ifoma, to ping a lover from this Ifoma. First of all, let us check the private IP address. Just open your command prompt this way and then type IP config, all right, and hit enter. You can see the Ifoma's workstation is serving the IP address of 10.0.2.4. So now, and then let us go back to Loveit. So let us know the IP address for Loveit, CMD, all right. So we have to ping, sorry, IP config to know the IP, the private IP address. This one is similar thing, 10.0.1.4. Informer's one is 10.0.2, but Loveit here is 10.0.1.4. Okay, let us ping, let us ping Informer system from Loveit dot 0.2.4. This is the IP address for Informer, and then hit enter. You see, the ping is failing. The ping is failing. Request timed out. So the same thing, let us do the same thing to um, Informer. Come to Informer and ping Loveit from Informer. Ping 10.0.1.4. This is the IP address for Loveit. So we try it. All right. It's failing. Request timeout. So the two systems that are positioned in different subnets are not reachable. So now, what is the issue here? The firewall is the issue here. The firewall is blocking the ICMP NOT to reach each of the machine. So we have to enable or create the rules of the firewall to allow this ping to go through from this machine, which is how do you call it? Which is informal machine, and as well as we do the same thing here to Loveit machine. All right. So once we do the same thing, we create the firewall rule to allow, and then you will see that this ping will go through. All right. Okay, now let us go ahead to create the rule. Let us start from here. Loveit. You can see this is Loveit system. Okay. All right, now let us go ahead. First of all, the first thing you need to do, you search for Windows firewall, or you just put this firewall. So once you get this Windows firewall with advanced security or whatsoever, or Defender, you just open it up. All right. Once you open it up, you click on inbound rules. All right. Now you can see that there is no ICMP here. So we have to create the rule to allow. Okay. So what you need to do here is to right click the inbound rules, click select new rule. All right. So once you get here, what type of rule will you like to create? Is it program? Is it port? Whatsoever thing you want to create. So it's for program. It's program here. Don't click on custom, all right? Or just select your program and then click on next. All right. So does this rule apply to all programs or a specific program? To all program. All right. Then we select all programs and click on next. Then, what action should be taken when a connection matches the specified conditions? Allow the connection, period. Allow the connection. You check it and click on next. And then, what does this rule apply? You can apply it to only domain. You can apply it to only private. You can apply it to only public, but we have to apply it to the the three rule, which is domain, private, and public. Click on next. Now, what is the name of your rule? Then I can guarantee you to type here allow what? ICMP request. ICMP request. That is all. Click on finish. All right. And so the moment you click on finish, you can see here that it is checked and it's saying allow ICMP request, just like I said. The profile is what? The profile is all, enable, and as well as action. So it's allowed. All right. So the next thing you need to do here is to make sure that and other options here, you can right click and either disable the rule, copy or delete the rule, or check the properties of the rule. This way you can check the properties of the rule and whatsoever. All right. Okay, it is fine and the property is enabled. Okay, the rule is enabled, I mean. So you can as well do the same thing here if you don't want to right click. All right, so having done this, if we want to, allow it, now if you want to go back to our pink request, let us do something now. Since the rule has been created, let us go back and go to our ping. So we want to ping this guy from here to Informa. We apply the rule in Love's virtual machine now, but we want to ping Informa. It will not still go because Informa system rules have not been created. So when we say ping, it will still tell you what? It will still tell you request timed out. But if you go to Informa, let's go to Informa system. All right. Let us go to Informa system and ping Lovett from here. We have created the rule in Lovett's system already. And then tap here. Let us bring the rule again. Tap here. You can see now. You can see now. It's going because we can ping. We can ping the Lovett own from Informa's system here because we have created the rule in Lovett's system. Okay, that is why you can see it is going. The ping is reachable right now. Fantastic. All right. So now we have to do the same thing to Informa's system. So this is Informa system. You can see it. So now let us now search for firewalls. Okay. Let us search for firewall, Windows firewall with advanced security. So click here, create the row, right click. So we are waiting. Pick the new row. All right. Pick the new row. Next, we have done it already. All programs. Next, next, next. And then you can say allow ICMP request. Okay. Once you are done, you click on finish. That is all. The rule is checked and is created. It's created and is checked. So now let us go back to Lovett system now. Let us go back to Lovett system because this is a former system now. Let us go back to Lovett system now. Where are you, Lovett? And then ping, you see, and ping a former from here. All right. Before it was not going, but now let us check. All right, it's going right now. Fantastic. Fantastic. This is how you settle network issue within your VMs, your virtual machines that are in different subnet. You can have many of them. You do this thing to all of them, and this will work perfectly. All right. So if you have any question in the comment section, please do not hesitate to drop your comment. Please subscribe, comment, share this channel with other people. They will find it very